Turn welding into cleaning. Turn off the power. This is the position of focus lens. Remove the screws. Remove them all. Take off the cover. See that spot? Remember that. Orientation of the sealing ring upwards. Replace the cleaned focusing lens. Okay. After that, put the cover back. And the screws. Then, focusing lens replaced. Next, replace cleaning nozzle. Remove the 4 screws, so that the scale tube to be removed. Choose a clean and dust-free environment. Take it off. Then, install cleaning components first. Screw on. Pay attention to the direction of the slot. Be careful not to touch the middle when tightening. After that, install the nozzle. We complete the replacement of the cleaning components. Next step is the system. Click System Paris. Click to authorize. Enter code. Choose clean 80 mm. Confirm. And restart it later. That's done. Shut down. And restart. Click Confirm. It's laser cleaning system now. Skin speed we set 20,000. Laser power same as your machine. This one is 1000 W. You can set yours. Then we can use it. Let's see cleaning effect.